I'm Roger Brogan. I'm the Director of Solutions Architecture at Chainlink Labs, and really excited to be here at the LFDT Member Summit. One of the real benefits of being a member is the networking and the collaboration opportunities. Over the few days at the event here, I've met a ton of great contacts. I've established that they're real people and not just 2D avatars. They're not just a Discord handle, they're real people. And that's when a lot of work can get done. I know there's a lot of, remote workplaces today where I work is 100% remote. So it's really fantastic to come out to the events and meet people in person. And, you hear a little bit of a conversation this way or that way, and you kind of get pulled in over here, you're pulled in over there. Just really a fantastic event, right? It's really a great opportunity to meet like-minded people that are extremely passionate about the space, people that are very, technologically competent and really passionate about the space as well. So, yeah, I mean, there's probably a lot more benefits to membership than just the events. I mean, like I said, the collaboration and coming to the events is quite big. Marketing opportunities as well, but it's really just a great group of people. And they're all passionate about technology and like to build great things.